Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. First I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Face Primer to prime and moisturize my face. Then I'm going to use the Face Shop's Face Tone Controller base with SPF 30 to protect my skin from the harmful UV rays. Now I'm going to prep my brows and use the Benefit Brow Zings to fill in my brows. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you like a brow tutorial. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC15. And I'm going to wet my beauty blender to blend this foundation. Don't forget to blend down your neck and your hairline. Now I'm taking the b.lot by Sebum powder to set my foundation. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the same powder to set my eyelids. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Pixi Weylie Let's Talk Eyes palette in the color Beautis, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. Next, I'm applying the Colourpop Jenn Ne Sais Quoi eyeshadow in the color Troi on top of what I just put in my under eyes for more of a red color. Using the shadow quatre, I'm applying this in my outer corners of my eyes to create depth. Next, I'm going to use this Etude House Dark Brown Pearl Shadow in the outer corners to create more depth. Now I'm taking the Champagne Pearl Shadow from Etude House in my inner corners as well as my lids to brighten up my eyes. I'm going to clean up the eyeshadow by using my beauty blender. Next, I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner to line my eyes. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm also going to use the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. Next, I'm taking this Etude House Bling Bling eye stick to brighten up my eyes even more. And blend it in. I'm going to use this Benefit Hoola bronzer to contour my nose and my face. For blush and highlighter, I'm using the Aspyn Ovard Tarte in Mamie Blush and Pure Soul. I'm highlighting my cheekbones and my brow bones as well as my nose bridge and cupid's bow for a more defined look. Now I'm blending everything together. I'm going to clean up my lips and prep them for lipstick. I'm using the NYX Liquid Lipstick in Exotic. Finally, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set my makeup. I actually didn't like the look with the lipstick, so I took it off and put on the Glossier lip gloss instead. And here's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and like this fall inspired look. Make sure you subscribe for more videos and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it.